All right, hey gang, Nate Bear here, lead technical technician for Monument Traders Alliance Trade of the Day. And excuse me, my video is not working. I'm traveling this week, and I'm coming to you here from Pennsylvania, so I don't have my normal setup. But I just wanted to go over the indexes and show you a setup here that I'm looking at for entry this week. All right, so basically on the indexes, we had this sort of end of month was right here, this candle, and we eked out a new high on the S&P 500. Let me zoom in on this so we can see it a little bit better. So we eked out a new high right in through here. And then we just sort of came in some end of month selling, a little follow through lower today, but a nice sort of reversal into the end of the day. I think things are setting up pretty nicely here for continuation higher. We're getting that rest that we kind of desperately needed. And if we look at this 195-minute chart, we've got a situation where it's like, oh, okay, well, we're up here. We're just sort of building this flag up here near the highs. So I like it. I'm bullish. I'm going to stay bullish. And things look pretty good here to me. A little rest is healthy. And the Qs, same thing, 195-minute squeeze. Again, we sort of eked out that new high on Friday, and then kind of came back in with some end of month selling, but some selling again today met by buying. So everything looks pretty good here for me at this point. One that I really like and one that I'm looking for entry is TMUS. Let me show you this chart here. So we've got a several different squeezes, but the one that I really like here is the daily chart. If you zoom out, we can see that clearly. Let me delete these old drawings here. Clearly, TMUS is a strong stock, T-Mobile, and we're up near all-time highs, which are right in through here. And we've got my favorite pattern. So we've got a woodpecker pattern right in through here. We've got a daily squeeze. We've got a 195-minute squeeze. I believe there's a 130-minute as well. Let's see. Okay, so 130-minute fired off today, but yeah, this is really pretty. But the one I'm going to play is the daily. They've got earnings coming up. Actually, the end of July, the last day of July 31st in the morning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this trade up for an entry in through here, around the 21, between the 8 and 21, and then a move up and higher into earnings on July 31st. So what I'll do then is pull up the options chain. And I want to get options that expire the week of earnings. So that would be August 2nd right here. And you can see how the IV rises. So we've got 18, 18, 19, and then here 21. So the IV rising is a sort of a confirmation that we've got earnings this week. And I'm just going to go with the in the money calls, the 175 calls, and I'm going to play for a run into earnings. You could also do the August monthly calls that probably have a little bit better spread. Yeah, so actually, let's change that up. Let's just go to get a better spread. Let's just trade the 175 August monthly. That's August 16th, which is out past earnings. And then we will look for a run up and into earnings. All right. As far as a trade plan, I would stop on a close under 170, call it 173 in through here. It kind of breaks down. And then target would be a move up into new highs, and the extension target on this is going to be up here at 186.79. So that's what I'm looking for in TMUS. I'll get the chart marked up, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.